Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you add an icon to a menu item? Let's have a look at adding an icon to the word Home. Let's go into Admin, Toolbox, Menu Manager, Main Menu, Actions, Customise. We're now going to add an I-class in here, and the code will be available in the description on our website. So we've placed the code in here to call a home icon, and we've also placed a space after the I class is closed off and before the text home. Let's save that and go back to our website. Let's refresh the page and we can see a home icon has appeared. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.